Hi, we're Flux, an innovation consultancy working with big companies and organizations to solve complex challenges.
We work shoulder to shoulder with our clients, whether that's in their virtual offices, their stores, their factories, even out and about with their customers.
When it comes to our projects, the tools we use tend to be flexible depending on what our clients would prefer. But throughout this time, Miro has certainly been a constant, and we've used it on a variety of projects in a number of different ways.
Training has always been a big part of what we do at Flux. Building sustainable innovation capability is our bread and butter, and recently we've seen a huge increase in demand for remote learning experiences. We use Miro as our virtual workspace, so we've built a bunch of templates that we use to build business model canvases, plan customer research, and learn to challenge and test assumptions.
We've also found it to be a brilliant tool to get up close and personal with customers fast. We do a lot of rapid user testing in what we do to test out the services, products, and propositions that we've been designing alongside our clients. What's great about Miro is that customers can open it for the first time and intuitively make sense of what's going on and how to use it.
The way we work as a company and with our clients will continue to evolve as we adapt to the changing world around us. Miro will play a critical part in allowing us to collaborate more effectively, no matter where in the world our offices are.